Well, it was a different jury, but the same result. After an almost 3-week trial and 2 days of deliberation, the jury was deadlocked, resulting again in a mistrial. The prosecution vows to retry the case. At around 10:50 a.m., the head juror sent a note to Judge Dan Wilson saying the jury would not be able to reach a verdict, asking what to do next. At around 2:40 p.m., the jury was called into the courtroom and again reinforced their stance that they were hopelessly deadlocked and a decision would not be reached. When the jury was brought in, an emotional Caldwell family was present in the courtroom and some of them were in tears. Defense attorney Steve Gardner then argued to Judge Wilson, saying such emotional outbursts in front of the jury could influence their opinions. He went as far as threatening to file a dismissal of all charges if these outbursts continued. Todd Caldwell, the father of Lisa Caldwell Techel, said him and his family were appalled by these accusations.
He thought that we were intentionally crying and intentionally behaving in a way to influence the jury, which is totally ridiculous.
I'm sorry, but we had to bury my sister, and for my little sister and my mother to cry, I believe that's acceptable.
Gardner filed a motion for a mistrial but was denied. Judge Wilson sent the jury back for further deliberations with plans on calling them back later in the afternoon to check on their progress. However, when he called the jury back around 4:30 p.m., there was none. They maintained their stance that they were hopelessly deadlocked and further deliberations would net nothing. Gardner once again filed a motion for a mistrial and the state said they had no position. Judge Wilson then made it official. The first-degree murder trial of Seth Techel once again ended in a mistrial. The state vows they will try the case again.
That was an easy decision to make, so we discussed it before the mistrial was ordered, but we will be retrying it for sure.
While the Caldwell family will continue to do everything they can to bring justice to Lisa.
We will do whatever it takes to make sure Lisa is taken care of. And for us, this is making sure that Lisa's taken care of. So at all costs, time, effort, whatever it takes.
Seth Techel's bond hearing has been scheduled for November 25, 2013 at 1:15 p.m. inside the Wapello County Courthouse. Reporting in Mount Pleasant, Nate Masulo, KTVO News.